Hello, welcome back to MK2 Golf Stories. Today I'm going to be looking at replacing the Speedo cable because I don't know if you've heard, but mine is making a right racket. Can you hear this? I hope it's a Speedo cable anyway. It shouldn't be doing that, so let's take a look at it, eh? Today's shirt is not a band shirt, it's some new MK2 Golf Stories merch. Check it out, don't be a dubber. Cool logo on the back. Anyway, let's get on with changing this Speedo cable. Very straightforward process to get the Speedo cable out. There's a little nut down here you've got to undo. Just here. Just undo that with a 10mm socket. And you give this a good pull, and it should come out. Oh, get out. There we go. That's this side of the cable out. And you can see the state of it, it's all broken and frayed there. It's like it's all the way up. Just some clips there. And of course we'll have to take the scuttle tray off. Be careful when you're taking this off, obviously. Don't want to break any clips or risk breaking this plastic, it's very flimsy. Of course, this cable goes here, through here, into the car there, into the back of the dash. So now we need to head inside to the car. Okay, now back in the car, we need to get access to the back of the clutch to get the cable out, which means we've got to take off this surround again. I'm not going to show you that here, and if you don't know how to do that, watch this video up here. So let's get it out. That's this surround out. We can now get to the back of the clocks. You reach round, you should be able to feel it. It might be easier to take the clocks out actually, but you can do it with the clocks in place. In fact, I'll take the clocks out just to demonstrate, it might be easier. There's two screws, one here, one there, hold the clocks in place. With those out, clocks should just come forward, lean them forward, and then there you go, they pull out. And you can get around the back, push this clip together, slide it back, and then it unclips from the back of the clocks there. And then I should be able to pull that through, out through the front of the car, hopefully. Push it back, there we go. And then that. There we go, just pull that out. Through this hole here. There we go, cable's out. Okay, on this old cable we've got a circlip here, which we need to take off. So we'll try and get it off with a pair of pliers and put it on the new cable.
Fine.
There we go. Get one end off and then spin it round and it'll come off. And then that needs to go back onto our new cable. Let's get one end of it under.
Push.
Like that.
No, I'll do that.
There you go.
Yeah, oh, hold on.
Now to feed this end into the car. We've got two grommets here. One for the back hole there and one for the hole on this bulkhead here. So I'll have to try and squeeze them through, I guess. We're going over this. Over that, I guess. Get out.
That's it. Oh, on.
Should we go over under these cables or over them?
Hold on.
Get that grommet through there.
Have a look.
Hang on.
Hang on. I think I will.
Grommet through. Trying to get that grommet through.
Top of it.
Okay, there we go. Look at
Good one, no problem, huh?
that. Right. So let's get that up there. We'll get it plugged in, and then we'll get the grommets in the right place. So I'll go back into the car and plug that in. You what? Oh, there it is. There you go. You can see where it's coming through there. Cable's in the way, so I'm just going to put this in to lift it out of the way. Go on, push. Hang on. Push it. Push. When I say push it, push it. Push it now. Push. There we go. Bit more. Hang on, it's gone too far. It's gone too far. This is the fiddly bit now, getting it on the back. This you've all got to do by feel. Right, push it on, push it forward for me. Push. I think so. Right, I'll do. That feels like it's on okay. So to test it, we need to put the drive gear on the end of the cable and get a drill on it and spin it and make sure that the speedo is working. Circlips there, 108 degrees that way, holes there. How's that go on? That's one for you, that, Dad, I think. Right, now to test it. So get on a drill. So you put it on it and then you just spin it like that. Go on, faster. Still making a bit of noise, not as bad as it was. That's definitely a lot quieter. I'm not sure if it makes no noise at all. Because normally you've got the engine noise and the noise of the car as you're driving along. So we'll plug it in the gearbox and then we'll take it for a drive and see how it sounds. So, down there. Put that in there. I'm going to go over there, under there. Make sure you get this on. Just go on that way. That's just demonstrated. No, that's right, that's right. Get that down there.
Easily fainting.
Okay, tighten her up. Oh, God damn. That's not made any difference whatsoever. So I'm guessing it's the clocks. Can you actually hear that? Not good. Found this useful, give us a like, click on subscribe, leave a comment below. Loads more to do on this. Thanks for watching and go and check out the shirts. Bye bye.